Hey everybody, Kenny here with Live a Little Productions Monster Truck Insanity Tour, and I am here to introduce you to the newest member of the Live a Little family, the Lithia Ford Livin Free Monster Ride Truck. And this thing is super awesome. It is a 1953 Ford body with a 1956 grill. It's packing a Ford 429 under the hood, 66-inch tires with a capacity of 10 people. This thing is awesome, and you can catch it at the Monster Truck Insanity Tours with Live a Little Productions coming up all season long. I want to throw out a great big thank you though to the people that made it happen for us, Lithia Ford and Lithia Body and Paint. Let me tell you just a little bit about Lithia Ford of Idaho Falls. Not only can they take care of all your brand new Ford vehicle purchases, service top to bottom, but also they have access to thousands and thousands of pre-owned vehicles. So if you're looking for a little something different, they're going to take care of you. And the body and paint shop, they're the ones that painted this truck and did all the body work on it, right down to the metal, did an incredible job. They'll take care of your vehicle exactly the same way. It doesn't matter if you got an old beater that you want to get restored, or if it is a brand new aluminum bodied vehicle. They are certified to work on those, get them straightened back out, looking good, get you down the road. Boats, RVs, the whole 9 yards. We can't thank them enough. So swing by Lithia Ford of Idaho Falls and tell them thank you for bringing the Lithia Ford Livin Free Monster Ride Truck to the Monster Truck Insanity Tour.